people, welcome back to my channel. This is today's look, an extreme cat eye with a very elongated feline looking shape. Definitely not for everyone, but it's super fun to recreate and try because it changes your features right away. This look doesn't look simple at all, but it is. It just takes a little bit of patience and practice. I am pretty certain that all the products that I use, you can already find something in your makeup bag that will work for this look. Definitely give it a try and let me know in the comments down below how it turned out and if you like this look. And if you're still with me, keep on watching. Let's start this beautiful adventure together. Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. On the high points of my face, I am going to use a brush. This is a flat brush from Makeup Forever. It is a bit old. On the high points of my face, so cheekbones, top of the nose, temples, Cupid's bow, and Dior Backstage Foundation. Nothing has changed there for me. I am still loving it, and I am still using it. I will apply it with a flat brush, but I am going to buff it in with my buffing brush. Tom Ford foundation brush, and I will just buff everything in. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer under the eyes. And blending it in with my Expert concealer brush from Real Techniques. Applying my concealer wherever I feel that I need more coverage. So my cheeks, around the nostrils, in between my eyebrows, around my mouth a little bit. Okay, I'm not gonna powder just yet. I'll leave it just like that. I'll let it sink into my skin, and then we'll see what we are gonna do with the rest of the face. For my eyes, I'm thinking using this Smoky Obsessions Huda Beauty palette, and I might mix it with some colors from Tarte palette, from Tarte. Today is going to be one of those days when I am going to be using black eyeliner. I know that I don't use it enough, and I think it is a perfect opportunity for me to do so. So from this Tarte palette, I'll use this color that is called Natural Beauty. And this color is going to be my base color. So I'm going to apply it all over the lid. I am going out, so I think this look is going to be perfect. So just packing on the color. And blend it. Okay, with whatever is left, we're going to apply it on the bottom lash line. I'm using a black pencil. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in the color Perversion, so it is a super black pencil. Then with the same pencil, I am going to sketch the wing. I am going to blend it, but it is going to be a wing. I already showed you this trick in my previous video. I'm going to link it somewhere, just in case you missed it last time and you want to see it. So with the same pencil, I'm going to sketch my wing. So I am extending my eye from the bottom lash line, imagining a line, and elongating it. Perfect wing. Same thing for the other eye. Just imagine a line going from your bottom lash line up and extend it. And create the shape you want. It doesn't have to be neat and perfect. For now, we just need the idea of where we are going with it, because I am planning on blending it all. then applying eyeshadows, and then blending everything again. With a pencil brush, I'm very lightly gonna blend my wing here. I want it super soft, blended, no harsh lines at all, but be careful not to blend everything to the point that it's going to cover your whole lid. You are only blending the product that you apply, so don't go over too much. Grab a Q-tip, clean up right away just so you know where you are going with this. So nothing would distract you. We can still clean up with concealer right after, but to get the idea where you're going with this look, it really helps. So you always have those guidelines to follow. With a clean blending brush, make sure to blend everything. This is a Real Techniques blending brush. With this eye look, blending is seriously the key. From this Huda palette, I'm going to grab this black color because it is super pigmented, very rich, and the black is black. And I am pressing it on into my lash line. And I'm softly pulling it upwards. So wherever I applied my eyeshadow, I'm trying to blend it slightly as well. So with the same angled brush, this is a MAC 263. I'm just blending it upwards. I'll grab this blending brush that I used for the all over color, and I will slightly blend the edges. For the other eye, just press it inside your lash line. Whenever I pick up very dark colors, I would pick it up in the brush and then I would dab it on my arm, on my hand, or tap it so I wouldn't get tons of fallout. So this look is turning out to be heavier than I planned. I don't know if I want to take it down or not. I definitely want to make it crisper. Good. Let's blend the edge and see how it's gonna go. I'll get this gorgeous color right here on the same blending brush, and I will apply it over where I blended the liner and the eyeshadow. Okay, I've cleaned up my waterline with a Q-tip just so it wouldn't appear as dark. And I'm gonna elongate my inner corner here a little bit with the black shadow. Okay, I've elongated my eyes even more, putting this dark shadow inside my inner corner, taking it a little bit into my lash line, trying to blend in, and I'll put a little bit to connect with my wing here in the outer corner as well. No additional product with whatever is left on the brush. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it just like that. In Extreme Dimension MAC. I'll curl my lashes first. Okay, let's apply mascara and see how it's gonna go. Oh yeah, it ties everything together. Okay. Now I feel better because I had a feeling halfway through that this look is not going to turn out the way I want it. So whenever you are experiencing that your eyeshadows don't look like the whole eye look doesn't look the way you want it to, so the way you see it in your head. Sometimes everything comes together as soon as you apply mascara or false lashes if you are into that life. Sometimes it does the trick, because without full black lashes, everything doesn't make really sense, and plus you don't have your lips and contour on. It's just like, what? But applying mascara definitely helps, because you get a clear idea of where you're going with this look, where you can add more product or less. Extended plate, Jigga Black, for the bottom lashes. Okay, with the same concealer brush that I used before, I am gonna clean up under my eyes. With a damp beauty blender, I'm just gonna pat my skin, because I do want to get this airbrushed effect. So that tiny little spot that I want to conceal, right here. Okay, Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder underneath my eyes. My forehead. Basically my T-zone. I will be using Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze with the Real Techniques Multitask Brush, and I'm just gonna give myself a little bit of color. I'm not contouring or anything, I'm just making myself a little bit more bronzed, so I wouldn't look that ghostly with these eyes. Now, we definitely want to contour ourselves a little bit with the angled brush from Hakuhodo and Charlotte Tilbury Star Bronze and Glow. It is a good palette. It has a really good size mirror, 2 products, highlighter and contour. It is easy to take with you. It does the job. It is very beginners friendly. If you're looking for a palette like that, definitely check out Charlotte Tilbury. Becca Champagne Pop for the highlighter. Bridge of the nose, Cupid bow, cheekbone. If you feel like you applied a little bit too much, you can definitely tone it down with your beauty blender. NARS Orgasm Blush. Oldie by Goodie. Real Techniques Multitask Cheek Brush. I've just bought this NYX lip pencil in the color Nude Beige. I really like this color, so I think you're gonna love it too. Overlining and filling in our lips. I like to start from the center, going down to the corners. Bottom lip. Let's blend this in with a brush. This is by Terry Precision 3 brush. And I am gonna top it off with gloss. This is Dior Addict 223. And I will press it down just so it wouldn't be as glossy. I want more of a satin finish rather than over gloss. And there you have it, the finished look. Let me just take off my headband. So here it is, my finished look with an extreme cat eye. I am personally a big fan of those cat eyes. I think they photograph really well. I think they look gorgeous in pictures and in person. They are not for everyone. It is a little bit more extreme than a regular smoky eye look. It is definitely out there and noticeable, so it's not for everyone, but it is a personal favorite of mine. Give it a go, try it out. You don't even have to wear it in public, but try it because it instantly changes your features, and I think this is why this look is so cool. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, stay healthy, gorgeous, and beautiful. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.